All right, hi Tot Lot families. So today for my video, I'm going to be doing an experiment where you can make a lava lamp. So what you need to do this is either a glass, or you could use a bottle that closes so that you can like reuse it, almost like a common jar like we have at Tot Lot. Or you can just do it in a glass if it's just like a one-time experiment. You need some oil, I'm using Alka-Seltzer. I've read that you can do aspirin. You might be able to do, like, if you put a little bit of vinegar and baking soda, the same reaction might happen. And then water and food coloring. We're stocked up on food coloring for experiments. All right, so first things first, you're going to you're going to put some oil in your glass. I don't want to do too much. I wonder. This is such a wide glass. I'm going to see if I can get one that's. Okay, so I switched to this glass just because it's a little bit, it's not as wide as that one, and you really want it to be deep. And I don't want to waste all my oil. Could also use baby oil too. It doesn't have to be cooking oil. Any type of oil will work. Next, I'm going to add my colors. They said about 10 drops, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know what, I'm going to add a little bit of glue as well. Okay, then you're going to add some water. So the food coloring is going to bind and color the water, not the oil. If you can see, it's not making the oil a different color. The oil is still like a pale yellow. Then we're going to add some water to that. About like a quarter of what we did with the oil, not as much water. A little bit more. Then I broke up an Alka-Seltzer, which is used for when like your tummy is not feeling great, into 4 pieces. I drop something every video. Okay, here we go. So you're gonna add it in piece by piece and we'll see what happens. Bring it closer. Okay, let's see. So you can see the bubbles are starting to form. I want to mix it. Maybe not. Maybe I'll wait. I'll wait to mix it. I'm going to add in another piece on that side. I'm going to mix it. There you go. You see the color coming up in the middle? I think I'm just going to add in all of this. Ooh, you see the big drops coming down? Very cool. It looks like a lava lamp. Oh, very cool. And it's getting all fizzy on the top. Wow. You see the middle? Let's try turning it. Right here. Wow. Really cool. Let's see if I add in an entire one, not broken up into pieces. See if it gets going even more. Yeah, look at that. Look how fast it's going now. Let's move this down. There we go. It's a better shot. See if we can add in other colors. I think I was supposed to add the water before the food coloring. So if you do it, I would do oil, water, food coloring, and then the Alka-Seltzer tablet. There's the red over here on this side, right there. Again, if you do this, I would put it in some type of bottle, see-through bottle. That way you can shake it up after and it will last. You don't have to waste the oil. It will be there forever. It's a good way to calm down if you're feeling anxious. Kids can go to it. Or they can just play with it like, and it's all oily now. All right, I'm gonna see what happens if I add a little bit of vinegar and baking soda. So let me get those things and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I got some baking soda. Let's open it up. This is the one for your fridge. So it's, it doesn't have a spout, but that's fine. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna dump in, I'll do the vinegar first. No, I'll do baking soda first. I don't know what's gonna happen. I have not tested this. So put in some baking soda. Oh my gosh, it's like clumping up in there. Okay, that's probably way too much. It's okay. Give it a little mixy mix. All right, yeah, let's be smart about this. Just in case, I'm gonna move my computer back. Okay, don't want any electronics. Make a little barrier for the computer. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, yeah, it's definitely going nuts. This is definitely more bubbles. But with how much, I don't think it's gonna overflow. With how much food coloring I put in, it's kind of hard to see now. So maybe like do this, do one or the other. Do whatever you want. It's fun. Okay, if anyone makes this experiment, please send us pictures. We love to see what you guys are doing at home, even if it's not these experiments, whatever your kids are working on, please send us pictures. We love to see what they're doing. We miss everybody. I will see you next week. Bye.